Hi everyone. Today I'll tell you how to check if a TPM or Trusted Platform module is present on your PC first. Let's define what a TPM is. A TPM is a hardware security chip built into computers and laptops. It is designed to secure hardware by integrating cryptographic keys into devices. To check if your PC has a TPM, follow these steps. Open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, look for the Security Devices category. If you see an entry for TPM or Trusted Platform module, then your PC has a TPM. Alternatively, you can also check for the presence of a TPM by using Runbox. Go to the search box and find the Runbox. Now type tpm.msc and press Enter. If your system has a TPM chip, then this window will be opened. Otherwise, you will get a command not run message. We can also use the PowerShell to check the presence of the TPM chip. Run it as an administrator. And simply type this command. Press Enter. Command will reveal all the info related to TPM if it is installed on your system. If in your case you get it false, then it means that TPM is installed but not enabled. Command prompt also helps to check the availability of TPM on the system. So search the command prompt and run it as an administrator. Now type this command and press Enter. If this command executes, then TPM is available on your system. I hope the video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.